Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Musings of Staranish. Oh, holy shit, this is not a Musings of Staranish, but it could be. So, this package arrived. Everybody following me on Instagram has been going crazy about this. So, let's just open this up. I'm not even going to talk about the box quality and all that because way too excited for that. Is this the side? Should we have had some background music for this? I don't think so. That's for later. Then, this is for now. Wow, it's pretty neatly packed. Really appreciate that. Wow, wow, this is awesome. It's like 3 rubber bands, foam, and then bubble wrap, and then a voila. It is a Seiko 5. Possibly, not possibly, yeah, 1985. That's 2 years before I was born. If you're thinking that, oh, but it's not working, this is an automatic, which means it doesn't ever need a battery. All I need to do is wear it and walk with it, and the vibrations from the body movement will get it to work. Hey, look, the seconds needle is moving again. And what's cool about this watch is normal watches have a tick, 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 tick kind of a motion when your watch's needle is moving, but then this one just goes like that in a fluid motion. You see that? There's no tick, 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 tick. Fun stuff. 1985. Purchased this for an undisclosable amount of money uh, from a secret source again. Wow, I don't even know how to open this clasp now. Oh, there we go. Let's take this piece of shit out. Obviously, I need to trim the bracelet a little bit, but when worn properly, oh, it's this way. Hold on, wasn't prepared for this. Bands got tangled in there. Well, it's really loose for my hand, but then when worn properly, it looks pretty fucking cool. That's awesome. That's awesome. Seiko 5, people. Seiko 5. Automatic. Never need to change a battery. Suits my lifestyle of. Oh shit, there we go. One more device to charge. There you go. Seiko 5. What an accomplishment this has been. What an accomplishment sourcing and owning this watch. All original from the year 1985. Why did I buy this watch when I have my daily Casio, my Beater G Shock? Well, you'll find out about that over at my Instagram. And I would really appreciate if you could follow me there. And the link for that will be in the description. More about this watch in a later video. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, this is still a musings. I would calculate this as a musings. Bye. Oh, wait, follow, like, subscribe, and all of that jazz. Please.